Let's learn English. Myclass, your class.
Today's lesson, English vocabulary. Bedtime. Hello kids. It's almost bedtime. Let's learn some English words about our bedtime routine. Are you ready? Let's go. First, we put on our pajamas. Pajamas means what we wear to sleep. Can you say it with me? Pajamas.
Pajamas.
Next, let's make the bed. Bed means where we sleep. Say it with me, make the bed.
Make the bed.
Now, it's time to lie down and close our eyes. In English, we say sleep. Can you say it with me? Sleep.
Sleep.
Good night, kids. In English, we say good night. Let's say good night.
Good night.
Now you're ready for bed and you've learned some new English words, pajamas, bed, and sleep. Sweet dreams.
Bye!